Hello all. Today our topic is on how to dropship products in purchase module. So what is dropshipping? It is a method followed by the storekeepers where they doesn't stock the products to be sold. The products are purchased from supplier and directly shipped to the customers. So in order to do dropshipping in Odoo, we need to activate this dropship feature. So first we'll go to the inventory. In inventory, go to the configuration, then to settings. The page is been loading. In settings, in warehouse section, you can see these three options. In that multi-step routes and multi-warehouses, these two options should be enabled and it should be saved. Then we'll go back to the purchase module. There also we need to activate an option. So in the purchase module, again go to the configuration, then to settings. Here we need to activate dropshipping feature in logistics section. Okay, so loading. Here in logistics you need to enable this dropshipping option and save that. Now we'll select a product and see how dropshipping will work. So go to sales module. In sales module, go to products. From products we'll select a product and see how we can dropship that product directly to the customer. So we'll select a product from here. Let us select cabinet with doors. In cabinet with doors, here you can see in the inventory tab dropship. This will appear in the routes. So we'll click on that. After clicking on edit, in the inventory tab we'll click on dropship. Also you can add the vendors in the purchase tab. Okay, here there are two vendors, Wood Corner and Azure. If you want to add one more vendor, we can add a vendor. We'll add B company and save and close. Now we have done the drop shipping with that product. So in this drop shipping, it takes place an action there. We'll go and see in the inventory what is that action. Go to inventory. In the configuration you can see routes. Click on routes. In that dropship, if you select on dropship, you can see here it takes an action. It performs an action by, which means that here the source location is from vendors, destination is from customers, that is directly from vendors to customers. So dropship performs an action called buy. That's it. Okay, so that is what dropship takes place. Now we'll create a quotation for that product. We'll go to purchase. We'll create a quotation. No, not from this. We'll create the quotation from sales, not from purchase. We'll create a quotation from sales. Create customer. Let the customer be Depot Addict, and the product is the product which we have selected for dropship, that is cabinet with doors. Here we'll select in the search more. We'll select cabinet with doors. Cabinet with doors. So the product is selected, the customer is also selected. Now we'll save this and we'll confirm this quotation. So we have confirmed, so that it has gone to sales order. So after confirming this quotation, you can see only customer preview tab is available. Delivery tab is not visible because it is not related with the warehouse. The product is transferred to customer directly from the vendor. Now after creating this quotation, an RFQ will be generated in purchase module. So we'll go back to the purchase module and see the purchase module. We'll see an RFQ. I think it is this. No, not this. Not this. Yeah, this. So this is our product, the RFQ. It is generated in this is cabinet with doors. So now we'll confirm this RFQ. So we'll click on confirm order, then we'll click on receive products, then we'll validate this. Okay, now we'll validate this. You have not recorded done quantities. By clicking on apply, Odoo will process it. So we'll click on apply. Now you have confirmed and validated this RFQ. Now after doing that, you can see the vendor details. The customer location here is partner, location bar, customers, and the operation type is dropship. Now if we click on this print and this picking operations, you can see the dropship details. The dropship details, see delivery address, vendor address is given, cabinet with doors. So dropship, this is the delivery details. Now before in that sales quotations, we have only seen customer preview tab. Now we have done with the purchase order. After going to then we can see we go to sales module and in quotations, sales module quotations, cabinet. See, now you can see delivery tab also. So that is how drop shipping is done in purchase module in Odoo. Thank you.